For this one, we're going to do the same thing. It looks a little different because we have x's on both sides, but we've already learned how to handle this. So negative 2x minus 4 greater than x plus 5. So I like to have, you want to have all your x's on the left side, okay? So that means all my numbers without an x need to be on the right side. So what we're going to do is we are going to move this 4 to the right side because 4 does not have an x with it. So the inverse of negative 4 is a plus 4. And we're left with, on the left here, a minus 2x. Negative 4 and 4 is 0. Greater than x. 5 plus 4 is a positive 9. Now I want to move this x to the other side. To do that, the inverse of positive x is a minus x. Negative 2x minus 1 more x will leave me with negative 3x. Now here's a trick though. We want to get rid of negative 3, so we have to do the inverse, which is to divide by negative 3. And we're going to do this to both sides. But what happens when I divide by negative 3 is that all my signs flip. For example, this x becomes positive, and this 9, when I divide it, becomes negative. So if my signs of my numbers flip, this symbol should also flip. So my solution here is x less than negative 3. So on my number line, I'm going to draw it out. We're going to be x less than, strictly less than. So at negative 3, it's going to have an open circle, and the numbers less than negative 3 are to the left. If I wanted to write this as an interval, we read it from left to right, just like when you read a book. So we start out here, which is negative infinity, and it goes up to the point negative 3.